You need to prepare a VR cardboard and an iPhone. Next, put your phone into the VR cardboard. And wear this VR cardboard to your head. Now open the apps and start the travel. You can start the solo mode to start travel. Upload the videos. Choose the video. And the video is uploaded. Press the video.
單人模式，請戴好頭盔，享受旅行。
You can move around to control the video. And if you want to stop the video, you can stop it. In setting, you can choose the way to cap the screen. And the photo will save in your album. Next, in the guide mode, you need to upload
請點下方建立雲端房間，建立後將顯示房間代碼與 QR 供團友加入。
The video upload to the cloud server, and it will show successfully uploaded, and it will create the room. So it needs a couple time to generate the QR code. You can show the QR code to the tourists. And when all the tourists join the room, then you can press Start Travel.
步驟4，請戴好頭盔，享受旅行。
For the tourists, you can scan the QR code to join the room, or enter the codes to join the room.
享受旅行。
Now you can start the travel.